This is one of the most important practices I've ever adopted in building and running a company. Hang on, let me be more clear. You gotta work backwards. That's more like it. The concept is this. We start with the end in mind and then work backwards from there to figure out the steps we need to take. In my company, we did this very intentionally for product, people, and process. I'll show you what I mean. First, product. So many tech companies start by building out infrastructure. They build layers of schema, data, APIs, but they don't know what questions they're trying to answer, what problems they're trying to solve, and for whom with all that tech. By contrast, we start by imagining the user experience for a very specific target user persona who's trying to solve a very specific problem. We build that user experience and then every necessary layer beneath it, all the while keeping our solution as simple as possible. Amazon is well known for taking this a step further with press release driven development. They start by writing an internal press release announcing the finished product. They'll iterate on it until the press release sounds compelling and only then begin development. I'll work backwards with people too. For those on my team in one-on-ones, we'll talk about career and life goals and then work backwards from there to figure out what steps we need to take. I remember one of my very senior engineers wanted eventually to join the clergy. With that end in mind, we plotted a path there together, but that's a story for another video. And if people on my team don't know what they want in their career or their life, we start simple by identifying 3 people they admire and what they admire about. We target those admirable traits as the end state and work backwards from there to acquire them. And lastly, I like to work backwards when defining process. Process is just a defined set of steps. I think about the experience that my colleagues and I will have as we go through those steps. Ideally, I'm looking to craft a process that is as lightweight as possible, while simultaneously delivering on time, delivering on budget, delivering with quality, and keeping everyone well informed. If you're working backwards to build a product, you have to check out this other video, which describes the other thing you should do to build phenomenal software.